start working on your curriculum for the school year, but you don't exactly remember how you're supposed to get everywhere. This is what this tutorial is for. First off, you need to be in your Google Drive, and the first place you need to go is Team Drive. So here on the left, we click on Team Drive, and we go to our High School Data Teams folder. Now, once you have opened up your recent curriculum, it'll be up here at the top, but right now go ahead and click on the curriculum folder, and you can either open your individual folders or you can click the main sheet right here, and it has links to where your curriculum actually is. So if I wanted to open, if I taught drama, I could go ahead and open the link and it will bring up my curriculum page right here. Don't forget that at the bottom, there are different sheets for each unit. You'll obviously want to rename your units, so at the bottom of each page, you could click the drop-down menu and click Rename, and it will allow you to type in whatever you want to name it and hit Enter, and it will remember that. So obviously, you go ahead and type in what you need to, your unit title, your power standards, your ICANN statements. Down at the bottom though, you need to have a link to the assessment over that unit. A lot of you probably have your assessments in a Google form. So what you would need to do is go back to your Google Drive. I'm going to open up a random Google form I have. Let's say that this was the assessment that I need for my unit. What I would do is I would go to Send. I would click on the link right here. I would hit Copy. I go back to my curriculum, and right in here I would paste it. So now on my curriculum there is access to the actual assessment for that unit. Another way to attach an assessment, if you go ahead and scan it in and upload it to your Google Drive. Again, to upload to Google Drive, once you're there, you go to New, File Upload, and then choose the file you would like to select to put on your Google Drive. And let's say that this right here is the document that I want to upload. So I right click on it and I go to Get Shareable Link. Now once I click this, it says copied to clipboard, but over here to the right, it's very important that I turn link sharing on. Okay, that way anybody who has the link can see it. So once your link sharing is turned on, then you can go to your actual curriculum and you can paste that link in there as such. And I'll go down here and I'm just going to paste. And now my assessment is listed in my curriculum.